Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable Navigate Pages with a text cursor in Google Chrome step by step. This feature, also known as Caret Browsing, allows you to navigate web pages using a movable text cursor and your keyboard. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Next, click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the browser. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the left sidebar, click Accessibility. You can also type Chrome/Settings/Accessibility into the address bar and press Enter. On the Accessibility page, find the option called Navigate Pages with a text cursor. Click the toggle switch to turn it on. Once enabled, you'll be able to move a text cursor around web pages using your keyboard. You can use the arrow keys to move the cursor and Shift and arrow keys to select text. Alternatively, you can quickly turn Caret Browsing on or off by pressing the F7 key on your keyboard. If prompted, click Turn On to confirm. Now you can navigate and select text on web pages without using your mouse. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Navigate Pages with a text cursor in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Chrome tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.